Are you tired of your 9-to-5 job? Are you ready to explore the world of side hustles and earn extra income? What if I told you that you could create a profitable business in just minutes using the power of artificial intelligence? Well, buckle up, because today I'm about to reveal 3 incredibly easy and profitable AI-powered side hustles that have generated thousands of dollars per month for people just like you. Let me tell you about Rachel. Rachel was stuck in a dead-end job, struggling to make ends meet. She knew there had to be a better way to earn money and provide for her family. Then she stumbled upon the world of AI side hustles. Within just a few months, Jessica was able to quit her job and focus on her new business, earning over $10,000 per month. And it all started with one of the simplest AI side hustles ever. In this video, we'll explore 3 profitable AI side hustles that have transformed people's lives just like Jessica's. These businesses can be created in minutes, all with the help of artificial intelligence. Print-on-demand designs. Midel is a true success story in the world of digital commerce. By combining the power of AI and Photoshop, he has created a thriving business selling SVG images with beautiful patterns. His venture has earned him over $500,000 thanks to print-on-demand websites like Printify, and her success speaks to the potential that AI and digital commerce have for creating profitable businesses. Elle's story is an inspiring example of how technology can be used to build a successful business that doesn't require a large upfront investment or technical knowledge. Social media posting. Hello Marketing Studio has made history with their real estate agent templates business. With her creative, niche designs and innovative marketing strategies, this young entrepreneur has earned an impressive $390,000. This success story highlights the potential of the digital world for entrepreneurs looking to make money from social media. Using tools like Canva and Photoshop, you can create engaging and detailed marketing material for real estate professionals. Coaches templates. Last but not least, meet Mary. She's made a whopping $300,000 from her coach's template business. Mary is the perfect example of how powerful templates can be. By creating easy-to-use and versatile coaches templates, not only are these templates time-saving for coaches, but they also provide them with a range of customizable options that allow for creativity and customization to better meet their clients' needs. With Mary's success as inspiration, coaches everywhere can now leverage the power of templates to help them save time and energy while still providing unique content for their clients. Let's dive into the details of how to use ChatGPT and Etsy to create a passive income stream. It's a game changer when it comes to creating digital products, such as planners, calendars, and journals that are in demand by millions of customers worldwide. To get started, you'll need to have an idea of what digital product you want to create. Once you have a clear idea, use ChatGPT to generate product suggestions and potential niches to target. Log into ChatGPT and start a conversation with ChatGPT by typing in a prompt or question about the topic you want to research. Request keyword ideas. Ask ChatGPT to provide you with keyword ideas related to your Etsy shop's niche, products, or target audience. For example, you can type, "Give me keyword ideas for planners for Etsy shop." Analyze the suggestions, review the keyword suggestions provided by ChatGPT, and make a list of the most relevant and promising ones. Now we will take the promising niche into Craft Inspector. Craft Inspector is a powerful tool that can help you find the top selling products and best shops on Etsy. Etsy is a huge marketplace with lots of data, and this software can save you time and money. Start with keywords. Enter your main keywords into the keyword generator and click Go. Craft Inspector will show you lots of top search keywords from Etsy's auto suggest engine. You can also see keyword trends and data like search volume and competition. Search for shops. Type a search phrase into the product search tool. Craft Inspector will show you lots of data points for each product, like sales, ratings, reviews, and tags. You can see all this information in different reports and even preview products. Shop Analyzer tool. If you're not sure what to search for, you can pick from over 1,100 built-in categories. Just click on some categories and Craft Inspector will show you the top selling products and shops in those areas. AI tools like Leonardo and Midjourney have made creating stunning patterns incredibly easy. With just a few keywords, you can generate unique designs in any style you can imagine. Using Leonardo, select the dimensions you'd like and provide a prompt, such as a vibrant red mushroom. Once you have your designs, use tools like Photopea or Photoshop to remove any unwanted text and Canva to edit and add text to the templates. With Printify, you can now easily create custom products with your own unique designs and patterns. All you need to do is upload your patterns to the platform, choose the product you'd like them printed on, and start selling on popular platforms like Etsy. With no minimum order requirements, Printify makes it easy for anyone to create their own personalized products and start selling quickly. To selling on Etsy with Printify's print on demand, create your Printify account, visit Printify and sign up for a free account. This will give you access to Printify's product catalog, pricing, and shipping options. Connect Printify with Etsy in your Printify account. Go to the channels section and connect with Etsy. This will enable you to import your product listings from Etsy to Printify. Create your product designs. Use Printify's design tool to create your product designs. You can also upload your own designs if you prefer. Choose your product. Select the product you want to sell and choose the supplier that will produce and ship your products. Set your pricing. Determine the price you want to sell your products for. Printify will provide you with a base cost for the product, and you can set your own markup. Publish your products. Once you have created your product listing on Printify, publish it to Etsy. Your products will be listed on Etsy and will be available for purchase. These are the basic steps to selling on Etsy with Printify's print on demand. Remember to optimize your listings for SEO, promote your products on social media, and offer great customer service to grow your sales and revenue. If you need further assistance, leave comment below for more tips and advice. Now that you've seen how these 3 AI side hustles have changed people's lives, it's time for you to take action. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Start your own AI-powered side hustle today and enjoy the financial freedom and flexibility you've always dreamed of. And to help you get started, we're offering a limited time bonus access to our exclusive guide, The Ultimate AI Side Hustle Blueprint, valued at $197, but for you, it's free when you sign up for our newsletter today. This guide will walk you through every step of creating and scaling your AI side hustle, so don't miss out.